Before we go deep into the woods, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. You can sit on a chair or cross-legged on a cushion on the floor. I'll give you a moment. Let's begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into the woods. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a few seconds. And then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times and focus solely on your breath. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to your body. Scan your body from head to toe, noticing any tension or discomfort. As you inhale, imagine breathing in a sense of calm and relaxation. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any tension or discomfort. Now, bring to mind something that brings you joy or happiness. It could be a person, it could be a place or an activity. Picture it in your mind's eye and allow yourself to fully experience the joy and happiness that it brings you. As you focus on this feeling of joy and happiness, repeat the following affirmations to yourself silently or aloud. I am happy. I am grateful. I am loved. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Remember, you can do this meditation anytime, anywhere, whenever you need a quick boost of positivity and energy. With practice, you'll find that you're able to tap into this uplifting feeling more easily and more frequently, bringing more joy and happiness into your life. Enjoy the rest of your day, afternoon, or evening. Thank you.